What exactly does PEMF do to your cells? Your body isn't just biological, it's electrical. Every heartbeat, every movement, even every thought begins with an electrical signal. And just like a phone battery, your cells need to stay charged to function well. That's where PEMF, or Pulsed Electromagnetic Field Therapy, comes in. It's not a buzzword or a quick fix. PEMF works by delivering gentle, low-frequency pulses that support your cells at an electrical level, helping restore balance when modern life takes a toll. Each cell in your body acts like a tiny battery. When stress, injury, aging, or poor circulation lower its voltage, cellular function slows. This can show up as fatigue, inflammation, pain, or brain fog. PEMF helps restore that cellular voltage, supporting energy production, circulation, and the body's natural repair processes. Different needs call for different types of support. Big Magic uses the Earth's natural 7.83 Hz frequency to provide gentle, grounding PEMF, ideal for daily use, recovery, and localized discomfort. Magic Pro goes a step further, combining analog PEMF with therapeutic audio frequencies, allowing for more personalized support for sleep, mood, and the nervous system. PEMF isn't magic, but by helping your cells recharge and communicate more clearly, it gives your body the conditions it needs to heal from the inside out.